There's a question a lot of HVAC technicians ask, but rarely out loud. It sounds like this: how am I working this hard and still not getting ahead? You show up early, you stay late, you run calls in the heat, you answer your phone when others don't, and yet you still feel stuck. Bills chase you, time still feels short, the future still feels uncertain, and that's confusing because everything you were taught says hard work should be enough. Today, I want to talk about why it often isn't. From day one in the trades, we're taught something simple: work hard and you'll be fine. And for a while, that feels true. Hard work gets you hired, hard work keeps you employed, hard work earns respect. But here's the uncomfortable truth: hard work without direction doesn't lead to success. It leads to exhaustion. HVAC is full of hard workers. That's not the problem. The problem is unfocused effort. Let me tell you something most people never explain. There's a difference between being busy and being effective. Busy techs run non-stop, say yes to everything, put out fires all day, end the day drained. Effective techs think before they act, choose what to focus on, learn from patterns, improve systems. Both work hard. Only one moves forward. Here's where many HVAC professionals get trapped. They become great problem solvers, but they never become great decision makers. They fix systems, but never fix their process. They memorize repairs, but never study money, communication, or time. They think, if I just get better technically, everything will work out. Technical skills is important, but mindset, planning, and intention determines outcome. Every tech has had this moment. Sitting in the truck, end of the day, hands tired, mind racing, and you think, I can't keep doing this forever. There has to be another level. What am I missing? That moment matters, because that's where people either ignore the feeling and stay stuck, or start asking better questions. Hardworking techs fail when they never stop to reflect. Here's something successful people protect fiercely: thinking time. Not scrolling time, not complaining time, not distraction time, thinking time. Time to ask, where am I going? What's costing me energy? What habits are holding me back? What skill actually move the needle? Most HVAC techs never fail from lack of effort. They fail from lack of reflection. Hard work is powerful, but only when it serves a plan. When effort has direction, training becomes strategic. Money gets purpose. Time gets respected. Decisions get clearer. The tech with a plan learns intentionally, prices confidently, says no when needed, plays the long game. The tech without one hustles endlessly, reacts emotionally, burns out quietly. Here's the shift. Stop asking, why isn't my hard work paying off? Start asking, what is my hard work building? Because effort alone doesn't create success. Intentional effort does. Success in HVAC isn't about how tired you are. It's about how clearly you think, how intentionally you act, how consistently you grow. Hardworking HVAC tech doesn't fail because they lack discipline. They fail because no one ever taught them how to aim it. And now that you know that, the next move is yours. All right, HVAC people. Hey, thanks for watching or thanks for listening. WW HVAC.